Okay, hey guys, I was trying something out new for this video. Try to have everything better organized. But today, I'm going to be unboxing Lord Achilles Paradox Quick Dash. So, real quick, I want to say thank you to fourgaming. I actually won this from a giveaway. So, let me cover up my address and stuff. But yeah. Won this from fourgaming, so thank you so much. They did a giveaway on their Instagram. If I remember, I'll try to remember to link their Instagram and their store in my description. But here's the back of the box. Here's the front, the sides, and everything. I'm definitely going to be putting this on my shelf, the box of these. So yeah, let me just open it up. Put it at the bottom. Boom. So here are the stickers. Nice and simple. Nothing too crazy. And then here is the Beyblade. So nice. So yeah. Also, shout out to Random Later. He's been watching a lot of my videos. He always comments, thank you. Nice to have people like you around on the channel. So thank you if you're watching this. Let me put the cardboard back in the box. I just like doing that so that the box has structure. And so that it doesn't just die if you poke it. So yeah. There's the Beyblade. Yeah, but I actually don't. So I'm getting 2 new parts from this Beyblade. Which are okay. So first, let's go over the parts that I own. Which first is Lord Achilles. So it is this bottom. So Lord Achilles. I own that, just not in this color, and I'll show off those days real quick if anyone wants to see them. Lord.Pr.Qc and Union Achilles. So I didn't own Quick Dash or Extreme Dash, but this is really nice to get. And then next is Paradox, which is a new part to me. I do have 2 nakeds, but no Paradox on it. There you go. Came out, but yeah. So it's like this. Then you can flip it so that... Oh. Give me a second. I'm trying to figure out how exactly this goes. Oh, okay. And then so boom. So it can go on things like Paradox property. I mean, not Paradox, naked, and I guess I'll show that off too. Should work at least. Yep. That I think is really cool. Oh yeah, and then the other bay, you have to have it in the downwards mode. I'm struggling so much. Oh, exactly. It's gonna take some getting used to. I think I have it. Am I just not? Oh, okay. There you go. Let me see. Then finally, probably one of the parts I'm the most excited for. This is Quick Dash. I heard it's a very good part. This bay absolutely loves to come apart. It's kind of annoying, but I think if I get used to it, it'll be fine. Let me put it together. Here it is. Lord Achilles.Pr.Qc quick dash. So now if you give me a second, I'm gonna pause the footage and put stickers on it. So yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, and I've just finished. So here is Lord Achilles.Pr.Qc Extreme Dash. So hopefully it looks fine. This stadium. And I guess I'm gonna do a couple battles. I'll do one against Achilles, one against Spriggan, one against Flare Dragon. So I'll do these three in this video. I'll just do first and 2 points for both. So yeah, first Flare Dragon. Oh. So I've owned Joe Dash and Hunter Dash, Abuse Dash. So I have some experience with rubber attack drivers and normal shit. Okay, first finish. One goes to Lord Achilles. Next, Beyblade. Gonna go. Oh, okay. So, gonna be Lord Okay. I'm switching freaking the balance mode this time. See which Bay wins. Kind of obvious. When it comes down to life after death match like this. Okay. The winner is